Guys, this is Harshita. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to be creating optical illusion makeup look. Trying to create it. So let's get started. Guys, first of all, I'm going to be using Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum to prime my face. Just take a drop. So guys, I'm going to be using this Vega Eye Glam Kajal to carve out my face. Just blending it with my fingers. Tiniest bit. So guys, for foundation, I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige. I'm going to be using Vega sponge. So guys, for concealer, I'm going to be using Annual Bay Concealer in the shade Milk Hazelnut Pretzel. Blend it with same Vega sponge. Guys, for contouring, I'm going to be using Mina Contour Cream 15 shades, and I don't know the full name. So I'm going to be taking the deepest shade in the palette. And again blending it with Vega sponge. Guys, for blush, I'm going to be using L'Oreal lipstick in the shade 892 Raisin Rapture. So guys, for highlighter, I'm going to be taking Savannah highlighter. So guys, I'm going to be taking this peachy shade and bronzy shade. Mix it together. Brows, I'm going to be taking this blue Artisto Kajal and just fill it. So guys, to set my face, I'm going to be using this Pond's powder. Taking a little bit here and taking this fluffy brush. So guys, for all the products that I'm going to be using will be down in the description box below. So guys, for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Hilary Rhoda palette in shade number 2. Guys, I'm going to be taking this deep purple shade on this flat brush. I'm going to be mentioning the brush too in the description and just apply it all over my crease. In this light pink shade to blend the edges. Guys, now you can see it much better. Again, I'm going to take this pink shade again and just blend the edges. So guys, next I'm going to be taking another brush and take this golden shade and apply it here. Guys, I'm going to be taking this kajal again, apply it on my waterline. And to my upper lash line. So guys, for mascara, I'm going to be using Maybelline New York Super Curl Mascara. And I'm going to take my mirror because I don't want to poke my eyes. So guys, for lipstick, I'm going to be using the same lipstick that I used for blush. So guys, to set this line, I'm going to be using this red shade, mix it with a little bit of yellow. So guys, lastly I'm going to take this Dabur Gulabri Rose Water and a cotton pad just to clean the excess. That is it. I think I created a decent look. Not super good because I'm making it first time. Okay, it's not that bad. So guys, that is it for today. Hope you liked my attempt to create this look, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and please make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. It will mean the world to me. Bye.